Hi guys, my name is Leah Vanessa Mkoja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another vlog. So guys, today is my skin treatment day. So on the journey of treating my skin. So as you can see, I have a lot of marks on my skin, like it comes from pimples, and I had something like this, like I usually have like pimples and then they leave some black marks. And also I have a problem of having blackheads. Sorry guys, I'm very sorry for the noise behind. My son is actually busy with his phone. So okay, so also I've been my skin has been so oily, like extra oily, to a point that like I was starting to have like a lot of pimples and all that. So yeah, and also high pigmentation. I've been suffering with high pigmentation. So guys, yeah, so I've been working on my skin a lot those days, and today I had a treatment. I've been like I did gluta IV plus vitamin C, and also I did micro needling. So yeah, so all these treatments guys I've done, I've done it by Onyx Essence. Yeah, Onyx Essence aesthetic. I'll definitely put the name just below there. So yeah guys, my journey, I started this journey that is 2 weeks back. 2 weeks back, and I was supposed to also do a treatment last week, but I couldn't because she was not around. But yeah, I'm supposed to do this treatment every week. So every week I'm supposed to receive my gluta plus my vitamin C, and then I'll do my treatment on the face. So yeah, I've been busy with that lately, but definitely with the videos that I'll be doing, you definitely see improvement on my skin. Right now, yeah, you can see all of this. I've just done doing my treatments. That's why it's like this. So yeah, it's like this. Yeah, but anyway guys, let me show you what I've been doing. And yeah,
so this is my lovely client Vanessa, Leah Vanessa. She's going for Mrs. Africa Ireland pageantry, and of course we're winning this thing because she's got all the attitude, she's got the sass. She actually has the right attitude, the personality to win. I mean, like, I've seen this girl talk, she blew me away. And today we're going in for micro needling. Some of the benefits of micro needling, it just helps to exfoliate our skin. There's no amount of washing that we do that can help us eradicate dead skin cells. So micro needling helps us to really go in, eradicate dead skin cells, and in the process we do cause a little trauma to the skin, very mild trauma, and that causes our skin to produce its own collagen. And like we all know, collagen is the wall that holds our skin up and keeps us beautiful and keeps the glow. So we'll do a couple of micro needling sessions with her. So we're just going to go in now, and so we have our machine set already, and we're actually going without a numbing cream. So you just tell me on the threshold of the pain, okay? First I'll put a little bit of the treatment I'm working with, just a tiny bit, and we'll go with that.
kurwadziwa kwemoyo wangu. Mwari visai kurwadziwa kwemoyo wangu. Mumepo ndinonzwa izwi renyu rinondikumbira kuti ndigare ndakasimba, asi moyo wangu uri kuzvimba nekutya. Mwari pindirai, ndinoda rudo rwenyu. Mwari visai kurwadziwa kwemoyo wangu. Mwari visai kurwadziwa kwemoyo wangu. Ndinoziva imi muri simba rangu, makandichengeta kubva pakutanga. Mwari ndipei iwo rugare rwemweya, ndinokumbira mberi penyu zvino. Mwari visai kurwadziwa kwemoyo wangu. Mwari visai kurwadziwa kwemoyo wangu. He's got today and tomorrow. Look, couldn't walk, talk, or eat. Almost died 3 times, but you saved me. I was mocked, laughed at, but you lifted me up and opened unbelievable doors. Now I'm here and you keep showing up. Hakuna mumwe akaita semi. Tinoti muri swine mutsvene. Hakuna mumwe akaita semi. Muri mutsvene, muri mutsvene. Mapapiro wako unobururuka pamusoro, denga rinodedera nedombo rinoparuka. Zvipo zvako zvinokudzwa mutsvene, kupenya kwazo hapana anogona. Hakuna mumwe akaita semi. Tinoti muri mutsvene, mutsvene. Hakuna mumwe akaita semi. Muri mutsvene, muri mutsvene. Let me tell you about Jesus, the King of Kings, creator of heaven and earth, the Messiah, El Shaddai, Elohim, the Redeemer, the living stone. He is Yahweh. He is Yahweh. Hakuna mumwe akaita semi. Tinoti muri mutsvene, mutsvene. Hakuna mumwe
want to say thank you for my subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please come back for another video, another vlog, another me. Yes, I really appreciate that a lot. So guys, thank you so much. I love you too much. And yeah, I can't wait to come back with another vlog. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.